Members, thank you all for being here. I guess one of the advantages of getting to listen to what your bill does or doesn't do is you get at least the last word. And I just had just a few quick things. I appreciate the passion of the lady really that just testified. She almost did my close for me, although I think we can obviously disagree on what the bill does, because I think this really does what she's talking about, is get all hands on deck and allow everyone to participate. There are a few things that I wanted to mention again, or just remind you. The placements, where a child goes, is not covered. Okay, so this gives us the ability to get as many homes out there for the LGBT couples that are already, I mean, there's already folks out in the LGBT community that are doing a great job. We need as many of those homes. We need as many religious homes, so that when CPS makes that hard decision of where do I place this child, there are as many options as possible. I believe this bill serves that purpose, and it absolutely does not in any way keep anyone from placing with an LGBT couple. That's just critical to understand. People have been talking about it, but no matter what, we don't understand. The CPS or the SSCC are not covered. In fact, one of the folks, I guess, said they weren't sure if the SSCC was covered, despite the fact that the Attorney General's office said it is and Ledge Council said it is. If there's a way to make sure it is in the bill, it's already there. I also thought it was ironic. One of the other witnesses said something about this will give these agencies a chance to sue the state. There is no monetary damage in this. They have the ability to sue the state to get back in the game. So we have, on one hand, we have groups that are suing to try to get a chance to work with the kids. And on the other hand, we have people that are suing to try to get these organizations out of it. That's not very difficult. Last thing, we've kept talking about the best interest of the kid, and I would be glad to provide you guys with that list. That is something that CPS is supposed to be doing, making the decision of where to place that child in the best interest. It's already in statute. It's in the best interest of the child legal standard already applies and includes allowances to match children with homes that are close to them and respects the desires of the child. Actually is the number one, and I can give you I'll provide y'all with more of that list. Again, we've talked a lot about the discrimination. I really believe this gives everybody a chance to participate, and I'm going to close with this final thought. We had a lot of different views here, but we are a country founded on freedom of speech and free exercise of religion. These fundamental rights are enshrined in the First Amendment, are what enable individuals to live in peace side by side. We may not all agree, but we don't have to all agree. However, when it comes to helping those most vulnerable in society, we should cast aside our differences and reach agreements on things that will create a stronger and more diverse support system for children. I believe this will do it. And with that, I would entertain any questions. And if there are no questions.
Oh, any questions, member? Thank you very much.
Then I would respectfully close. Thank you all very much.
This time it's the chair. Good job. This time the chair is intent to leave House Bill 3859 pending.